Hello YouTube, welcome boys and girls, men and ladies and all other kind. Today we got the $500 gaming PC build. Let's get right into it. We got the AMD Ryzen 5 2600 processor. No surprise here, the best budget CPU on the market. This will allow you to live stream, video edit, and game at 180p. The most important cool fact about this is that it lets you live stream. Now moving on to our graphics card, the GIGABYTE GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card, the first GDDR6 graphics card on the market. Now it has 4GB at 128-bit. It's not like the 8GB like the AMD's, but compared to the AMD's, the NVIDIA graphics card are much cooler, which allows you to get much better performance and allows you to overclock much better. Now this graphics card will play all the mainstream titles at ultra 180p. One of the best graphics card, budget graphics card on the market. Next, the motherboard, the GIGABYTE B450M. No surprise here, this motherboard you'll see in all the budget builds. Has up to 64GB of RAM that you can put on this, has HDMI, has all the basics, nothing too special. Again, the best budget motherboard on the market. Moving on to the RAM. Ever since we went from DDR3 to DDR4, RAM prices have skyrocketed. They still haven't come down. This is the HYPERX Fury 16GB at 2666 MHz. Now this is a one stick RAM. Now if you're looking to just stick with 16GB of RAM, it is better to get two sticks. Two sticks are better than one stick. Now if you're looking to make an upgrade in the future, I say you get the one stick RAM for now. Just waiting for our SSD to pop up here, and here we go, the Kingston 240GB SSD. Honestly, we went with 240GB just to stay under the budget of $500, but if you have a little more to spend, honestly you can spend just like $40 more and get the 1 terabyte of SSD. I recommend you stick with SSD. There's no point of getting the regular hard drive. But honestly, a lot of people overestimate how much space they need. 240GB is more than enough. Don't worry, you'll be able to game and edit videos. Now our power supply. Damn, we're moving here pretty quick. The EVGA 580 plus. This power supply has been on the market for a long time. Nothing special here. Gets the job done. Now again, if you do make any upgrades in the future, I recommend make this power supply upgrade as one of your first upgrades. And the computer master case, the cooler master case, MasterBox Matx tower. Now we had to stay under $500 budget, but if you have a little more to spend, I recommend go get the NZXT. But again, this tower is amazing, has 2 USB ports on the outside, has an open glass concept, put some lighting in there, look amazing, cool, comes with a fan. Honestly, still a great case, but we still recommend if you have a little bit extra to spend, go get the NZXT. Now that will do it, YouTube. So hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.